Welcome to my YouTube channel where we demonstrate and discuss everything related to theatrical and entertainment production crafts. Please subscribe to get the latest updates, posts, and demonstrations. While I will focus primarily on safety in the shops and comprehensive training and operating procedures for tools and machinery, I'll also demonstrate and discuss practical applications like flat and platform construction, scene painting, and more. If you'd like to see something specific, please let me know in the comments. Once again, please subscribe and power up the alert bell to get the most up-to-date notifications about new content. Lauan is also called Doorskin because it is the skin that is put on the outside of hollow core doors. As such, it's not really meant to be a structural material in and of itself. It has two thin layers of veneer, top and bottom. One that's the finished side, and the other side that is the interior of the door and not meant to be a finished side. And both of those layers have grain running in the same direction vertically. And inside is a tiny pulpy core. It's not even engineered lumber. It's a pulpy filler. And as such, that doesn't really add any structural stability to our flats, which is why an increased amount of framing will be better in the longevity of your flats and in your easy assembly of your stage scenery. For most of your typical scenic needs for building your standard stock flats, there's very little need to go up to 1/4-inch Lauan. I will do it for certain circumstances for additional stability, or if I need a structure to be stronger, we may add a 1/4-inch plywood on top or a thicker plywood, but those would be special one-off cases. It wants to bend this way just because of its thin layer, but it also wants to bend this way very easily. The extra framing here stabilizes that natural tendency of the Lauan to twist and bend. And the Lauan is really what's giving us that sine wave variability in that structure. Even with the 1/4-inch Lauan, the 1/4-inch Lauan is no better. It's the same thin veneer, top and bottom, and a thicker pulpy core. So it's not really, other than adding thickness, adding any more structural stability than the 1/8-inch Lauan. The Lauan is naturally going to want to do that twisting that I'm experiencing with those flats. And this structure stabilizes that as well. 1/4-inch Lauan, same thing, grain running vertically, top and bottom layers, and it does have a lot of wobble in it, a little bit less so than the 1/8-inch, but this is not structural enough to compensate for the deficiencies in that structure. If this were plywood, if this were 1/4-inch AC plywood, then that would be enough to compensate for the structural deficiencies. But that would be even heavier than the Lauan and more expensive. I think 1/4-inch plywood is probably $35, $40 or more, and this is only $24. This is not true bender board. There is a plywood called bender board that does have all of the layers with the grain running the same way, that does bend in one direction, whether it's this way or that way. There are two different types. This will not make a tight curve real tight. I could bend this to a slow curve like that if I was building a curved flat. I could do that pretty easily. Lauan and hardwood plywoods like this are meant to be laminate materials. This is designed to be a laminate on top of another stable structure. You build your cabinetry or your furniture out of a cheaper plywood or other material on the inside. You laminate it with a hardwood Doorskin type of material to provide that final look where it looks like you've built something solid out of maple, but you've really built it out of plywood and just put a maple laminate on top. That's what they're designed for. They're not designed to add structural stability. which is why we don't use Lauan for corner blocks for soft flats. It's not strong enough. It doesn't have the cross grain layers of plywood, the 3 layers that 1/4-inch plywood does. It doesn't have that stability. Your soft flats will be weaker if you use Lauan to make your corner blocks. You need to use 1/4-inch AC plywood for those corner blocks, keystones, half straps. I see a lot of people cheating by using this because it's cheaper and it's available, but it's not the same thing. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with more technical theater content.